All right, YouTube. Got a package in from DX Engineering today, and we got an unboxing. So I got this for the old ham shack. It's gonna be my quote cheap radio for when there's storms. It's gonna be the one that I'm gonna use to check into the emergency weather net and that kind of stuff, so I don't blow out my expensive radios. So let's see what we got here. It's the Yaesu FTM-150. And right off the bat, we got the manual, mic hook, microphone, we got a power cord, and that will definitely be getting power poles on it. What do we got here? A couple of fuses and some hardware. And to the radio itself. Comes with a mounting bracket. Get that peel. Perfect. Mic port on the side. It's the back. And I believe the face is detachable. Yep. So, detachable face. Nice. Awesome. Well, I'll get that installed in the shack, and then maybe I can do another video on its use. Thanks for checking in, and have a great day. KZ.